Want to know how to see observations from any group that you had joined in PlantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. Just simply head towards identify.plantnet.org and you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, on the top left side, you should be seeing Explore. So you can just simply hover on it. So once you have hovered on it here, you should be seeing groups right here. Just simply select it. Now once you have selected groups, you can just simply scroll down until you see my groups. Just simply select that. And now here you can see your graded and joined groups. So since we are seeing the ones that we had joined, just simply select the ones you have joined. And now here you should be seeing observations right here. So right below it here, all of the flowers that you see are all the observations that the users of this group have posted. So you can just simply sort it right here. So you can search from names in order to find proper observations and explore more flowers. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.